can't get enough of this place.
Chelsea's all about sharing ideas and getting ideas.
The atmosphere's brilliant.
It's so full of joy. Everybody works so hard on their gardens. They're all so beautiful.
It's just so safe and tranquil and peaceful and calm.
It's nice to meet someone as tall as me at Chelsea Flower Show.
I know. It's always great to see flowers in perfect condition.
One of the gardens that actually took our eye, we both loved it, was the garden with the wooden sculptures.
Sculptures and carvings, a bit like Narnia.
I'm not a big gardener, but I'm an enthusiastic gardener.
You know when people say, do you like dogs or cats? I've always said, well, I love trees.
And trees, to my mind, are the greatest of all plants, and we really want the public to understand that. When they hold a piece of wood, you know, you're holding a piece of time.
I'm very intrigued by this garden here and the focus on sustainability.
I think for all of us, it just inspires your own mind, and certainly seeing it here is a big bonus.
It's made from sustainable forest.
And it's MDF, you know, sort of my dad used to make stuff out of MDF.
We really need to look at sustainable materials that can capture that carbon.
It does feel, as we're becoming more climate conscious, that gardening is a natural fit for that.
We should be teaching this at schools. We should be telling our neighbours about it. We should be taking interest in our community spaces.
Let's get communities together.
If you start doing things, it kind of eases that climate anxiety.
Everyone should be able to have a little bit of garden, whether it's an interior garden or an exterior garden.
I really do love a bit of Chelsea. And I like to think it's a bit of me.
But if you are at all remotely interested in all things green, then this is heaven. It's heaven.